Lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome to Ella Skincare. If it's your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you are doing? Hope you are doing good, and I hope you are really doing great. So today I'm going to review a lotion called Herbal Super White Lotion. Alright, the lotion is a very common lotion, very common, popular, cheap and affordable lotion. I'm going to show you what you can do with the lotion, tools you can achieve with the lotion, how to use this lotion to get the best results ever, and how to use it to get a normal results. Before going into the video, if you've not followed me on Instagram, please follow me on IG at ellaskincare_1 and follow our backup page at ellaskincare_2. And shout me up on WhatsApp if you want to buy any skincare product, hair care product. I sell and I deliver worldwide. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscription is free. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. And give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like this video, okay? Give this video a big fat thumbs. Just do it now, okay? Do it now so you won't forget to do it later, okay? Now, lovelies, let's go into the video. Let's go. Welcome back, lovely. So this is the Almond Herbal Super White Lotion with multiple fruit extract. Okay, contains no hydroquinone, so there's no hydroquinone in here. And at the back, bunch of stuffs are written at the back. I'm going to put a pic here for you to see how the back looks like. But I'm not going to waste time with this video. I'm just going to go straight and hit the nail in the head. Okay. Almond lotion is not a super white lotion. Okay, for what is written at the pack, you see that it's a herbal super white lotion. It's not a super white lotion because most of you, when you just say super white, you're like, the lotion is a super whitening bleach lotion. No, this is not a super white lotion. It's a lightening lotion. I'll call it a lightening lotion that will lighten your skin highest 2 shades. And for you to get 2 shades, that's stuff you have to do, which I'm going to talk about later on this video. Okay, so it's not a whitening lotion, but it's just a lightening lotion. A dark skin can use it, a light skin can use it. Now if you're dark skin, it's just going to lighten you 1 shade. Okay, it's not going to take you more than 1 shade. It's going to lighten your skin in a very nice way. If you're the type that don't get your skin exposed to the sun, you don't go out to the sun all the time, you're going to get a lovely light shade from this when you are dark skin. Okay, it's gonna glow your skin. It will make your skin mild, very soft, smooth, and glow your skin. All right, it's gonna glow your skin. Now if you're the type that enters the sun a lot, it's just gonna like make your skin look nice and shiny. Okay, it's a super nice lotion. Okay, lots of people underrate this lotion because it's made in Nigeria and it's cheap, but it's not that cheap, but yes, it's affordable. And that's why most people just look at it as if it's nothing. But honey, trust me, this lotion is very, very good. And when you use lotion, it absorbs into your skin very fast. Okay, you just slide into your skin. Absorption is very, very fast. Okay, it's not the type that it's going to be extra sticky and be sticking out your skin. No, it goes into your skin and do its job very, very well. That's one of the reasons why I love this lotion. Have a very nice fragrance, a very inviting fragrance. You're not going to get any allergic reaction because some of my customers will tell me, Ella, I get allergic reactions from some products that have very strong fragrance. Now this lotion does not have any strong fragrance. It's very mild. Okay, so the fragrance is very, very nice. And like I said earlier, for absorption, you're gonna like it's gonna absorb into your skin super nice and super cool and leave your skin very shiny and a little bit glossy. Now, how do you use this lotion to get a super nice tone? How do you use this lotion to get 2 shades lighter? I'm going to explain that. Now, if you're using this lotion and you want to use it to get 2 shades lighter, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is add a little lightening oil, any nice lightening oil of your choice. Okay, I'm not going to mention names of lightening oils here. Just go to the market, pick any lightening oil of your choice. Okay, just a mild oil. Trust me, you will just love this lotion. This lotion goes well with anything and goes well with everything. Okay, if you want to add tubes to this, I would advise that you don't really add tubes to this, but you're the type that love tube, but you don't want to get white, you can just add a very mild tube to this. If you've not watched a video where I talked about Dodovate and Miracle Skin Tube, you can check it out. You can use Dodovate and Miracle Skin Tube with this. They are very mild, so you need to use it with a very mild lotion, and you're gonna get a nice shade from this. Now let's talk about those that want to pro-mix this. Now, if you are the type that is selling, or you just like pro-mixing, okay, because some of you that are selling products, you don't attend classes, so you don't really know how to make products from scratch. You just tend to like survive with YouTube videos, which is still very okay if that's what you love. If you want to pro-mix this, it's very simple. I'm going to tell you stuff that you can use to pro-mix this lotion, and you get a great result. Now I'm going to show you the skin tone that you get with this when you pro-mix this, so you won't come back later to tell me, Ella, I did this and I did not get this result. I'm going to put everything here for you to see. Now if you want to pro-mix this lotion, you're going to get your Almond Lotion, you get your Labijanis treating oil. I'm not talking about the other Labijanis oil, I'm just talking about the Labijanis treating oil, and you get a very mild tube, like just a clean cap tube with this. This is the best I would advise you to use, because it's not a whitening lotion, so you don't want to like alter it too much. Now if you put your Labijanis inside your herbal lotion, your Almond Herbal lotion, and you put your clean cap cream, I'm not talking about your clean cap gel, I put your clean cap cream to this and give it to a customer to use, it's gonna give the person a very light 2 shade in 2 months. Okay, let's say in 2 months with consistent use, the person is gonna get a nice 2 shades from this lotion, a very mild nice one with a glowing skin or flawless skin. Okay, and when I'm saying flawless skin, I'm not talking about those that expose their skin to the sun all the time, because we all know that when you expose your skin to the sun all the time, your skin is going to get damaged. That's the bitter truth. Okay, your skin is going to get damaged, so you don't expose your skin to sun a lot. Okay, you get a mild, nice, beautiful 2 shades like what you're seeing right here. And for those of you that are going to ask, Ella, can I use this on my face? Yes, you can use this on your face and get away with it. I'm talking about the pro-mix part. Okay, if you add your clean cap cream to this and use it on your face, you're not going to get any issues with it at all you have to do is use your sunscreen when you're entering the sun to prevent sunburn and other herbal pigmentation on your face, and you are good to go. So lovely, that's it for this video. Try it out and come back to the comment section to tell me how nice it is, how good and how lovely it is on your skin, because I know it's going to be very lovely on your skin. It's not a complicated lotion. Okay, as for fake, I have not seen fake. Honestly, I've not seen fake at all. It's a Nigerian product, so the original is everywhere. Okay, it's not complicated. The original is everywhere. I've not seen fake. If I've seen fake, I'll say yes, I've seen fake, but there's no fake for this lotion. Alright, lovelies, that's it for this video. If you find this video very helpful, please press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe to subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you watched this part of this video and you're not subscribed. Honey, please subscribe. Okay, till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye bye.